Hi friends, this is Sushil here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are back with another video and it's going to be the best mid-cap stock picks for 2021. I'm glad to know that the previous videos about the best picks for the mutual fund and as well as the large cap stocks has been really helpful for you guys and thank you so much for supporting. Before we get started, in case you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends so that they are getting benefited. Please follow us on the Telegram channels and get benefited from the discussions happening there, the links to which has been given in the video description. Without much delay, let's get started. The first stocks that I selected from the mid-cap category is the Polycap, which is from the FMEG sector and is a very good competitor for the Havels India, which is the leader in the same sector. Polycap India Limited, the current market price is 958.40, listed in both BSE as well as NSE and is coming from the FMCG sector. The market cap for the company is 14,285 crores. The 52-week high is 1,182 and the 52-week low is 570 rupees. The past 1 year return has been 3.16 and the past 6 months return has been 51.25. The P ratio is quite in the normal and is at 18.76. The earning per share has been very good, which is 51.06. Price to book ratio is 3.39. Looking at the past 3-year data, the sales has increased by 31.57 and the profit after tax has increased by 114%. So looking at the numbers are looking good and the profit has been consistently increasing. So the Polycap India Limited is one of the best stock that I have selected for 2021 from the mid-cap category. Moving to the next stock, I have selected Vinati Organics Limited. Over the past couple of years, the growth that has been shown by Vinati Organics is tremendous and this is one of the must-have stock in the portfolio from the mid-cap category. Vinati Organics Limited, having a current market price of 1,177.85, listed in both BSE as well as NSE, and is coming from the sector as chemicals. The market cap of the company is 12,106 crores, and the 52-week high is 1,419 with a 52-week low of 651.30. The past 1 year return has been 21% and the 6-month return has been 20.22%. The P ratio is at 43.85. The earning per share is 26.83. The price to book ratio is 8.6. Looking at the past 3 years data, the sales has grown by 38%. The profit after tax has improved by 132%. The next stock that I have in my list is Tata Elxsi, and which is from the IT sector and is well known for their expertise in the niche area. Coming from a very well-known management of Tata, I have very huge hope for this particular company to grow into a large cap. And let us look into the numbers. Tata Elxsi Limited, having a current market price of 1,588, listed in both BSE as well as NSE. The market cap of the company is 9,891. The 52-week high is 1,710 and the 52-week low is 499. The past 1 year return has been 99.34% and the past 6-year return has been 109.06%. The P ratio is 32.47. The earnings per share is 49. Price to book ratio is 8.72. Looking at the past 3 years data, the sales has grown by 16% and the profit after tax has grown by 6.69%. So this company is having expertise in niche area and which is a value for the company and has a huge scope to grow. Considering their market cap is currently only around 9,000 crores, and compared to its peers, this particular company stands out to be one of the best. My next stock pick for the mid cap is Exide Industries Limited. Exide Industries Limited, having a current market price of 184.85, listed in both BSE as well as NSE, and it is mentioned as the sector as auto ancillaries because it's providing batteries to the automobile industry. The market cap of the company is 15,712. The 52-week high is 208 and the 52-week low is 124.70. The past 1 year return has been minus 4.45 and past 6 months return has been 15.89. The 1 year return is shown negative because there has been huge impact to the automobile industry because of the COVID pandemic situation, and the sales has been really at a low level, and because of which the proxy play of automobile, which can be considered like the Exide Industries, has been hugely impacted. P ratio for this particular company is 24.98. Earnings per share is 7.39. Price to book ratio is 2.31, which is very much attractive at this point of time to take an entry into this particular stock. Looking at the past 3-year data of growth, the sales has increased by 10.61, and the profit after tax has grown by 9.85%. My next topic for the mid-cap category is Aarti Limited, which is from the diversified chemicals and has a huge potential to grow in the years to come. It's coming from a very well and experienced management. They're catering chemicals to different sectors and is very well diversified. Aarti Limited, which has a current market price of 6,310, listed in both BSE as well as NSE. Having mentioned the sector as chemical, the current market price is 18,716, and with a 52-week high of 7,019 and 52-week low of 2,923. The 1-year return has been 55%, and past 6 months return has been 46.27. The P ratio for the company is 31.07. Earning per share has been really good, which is 203. Price to book ratio is 5.28. Over the past 3 years, the sales has grown by 24%, and the profit after tax has grown by 136.74%, which is really good. So if you see, look at the numbers, it has been consistently improving, and in the years to come, this is very good for the company, and the company will definitely keep on growing and provide a very good wealth creation. This is one of the company that can soon get into from the mid-cap category to the large cap category with the pace they are growing. My next topic for mid-cap category is Rallis India Limited, which is from the agrochemical sector, and this is one of the Tata company, and with trust in the Tata management, I've selected this particular company. As well as looking at the numbers of Rallis India and fundamentals, the company is really good to provide good wealth creation in years to come. So Rallis India Limited, the current market price is 281.95, listed in both BSE as well as NSE. The sector is agrochemicals, and the market cap of the company is 5,483. The 52-week high is 339.80, and the 52-week low is 125. Past 1-year return has been 55.73%. 6-month return has been 36.34. The P ratio of the company is 27.29. Earnings per share is 10.33. The price to book ratio is 3.56. Looking at their growth rate for in the 3 years, the sales has grown by 24.52, and the profit after tax has improved by 9.98%. Looking at their financials, it looks good, and it has been consistently improving, which is good for the company. So as I said, the main reason for selecting this particular company is it's from the agrochemical, which is again based proxy play for the rural theme, and also having much trust on the Tata management. My next topic for the mid-cap category is the City Union Bank, which is a kind of a value pick that I've selected from the banking sector in this mid-cap category. City Union Bank Limited, with a current market price of 186.05, listed in both BSE as well as NSE. The sector is banks. The market cap of the company is 13,737, with a 52-week high of 249.35 and 52-week low of 110. Past 1-year return has been -15, and past 6-month return has been 51.44. So negative return is because of the entire banking sector has been beaten down because of the pandemic situation. So it's as expected. So the P ratio of the company is 33.56. Earnings per share is 5.54, and price to book ratio is 2.47. So looking at the numbers for past 3 years, the sales has improved by 22.52. The profit after tax has reduced by 19.54, but I strongly believe that the banking system is getting restructured, and I believe that City Union Bank is well positioned to meet the challenges in the years to come. So that's why I selected this particular bank in the mid-cap category for 2021. My next topic for mid-cap category is Affle India, which is internet themed stock. And with the increased digitization that is happening in India, this stock should be definitely getting benefited with more and more people getting access to internet and mobile technology. So I believe that in the years to come, this stock will definitely be providing very good return, and has a huge potential to grow from a mid cap category stock to the large cap category stock. So that's why I selected Affle India, and is worth doing SIP in this particular stock. Affle India, with the current market price of 3,418, listed in both BSE as well as NSE. The market cap of the company is 8,715 crore. The 52-week high is 3,468.45, and the 52-week low is 899.25. Past 1 year return has been 120%, and past 6 months return has been 110%. The PE ratio is on higher side. That is because of the scope of the company that it has to grow in the future, and so the market has given it has a very good or a very high PE. So the PE ratio is 105.72. The earnings per share is 32.35. The price to book ratio is 32.12. So it's very highly valued stock. My next stock pick is CreditAccess Grameen Bank, which is into the microfinancing. CreditAccess Grameen Bank Limited. So the current market price is 791.10. Listed in both BSE as well as NSE, and the sector is finance. The market cap of the company is 12,300. The 52-week high is 1,000 rupees, and the 52-week low is 305.20. The past 1 year return has been 5.51, and the past 6 month return has been 110%. So after the pandemic situation, it has almost doubled. The next stock pick in my list is from a pharma company, which is the Granules, and this company is has been benefited from the current pharma sector bull run. Granules India Limited, with the current market price of 412.55, listed in both BSE as well as NSE, caters from the pharma sector. Market cap of the company is 10,216 crores, with a 52-week high of 425 and 52-week low of 114.10. The 1 year return has been 227.81, and the 6 month return has been 146.37. So that itself explains how the pharma bull run had happened. The P ratio is 24.83. Earnings per share is 16.61, and the price to book ratio is 5.35. Over the past 3 years, the sales has grown by 53.60, and the profit after tax has grown by 152.96. So which is really good. The numbers are looking very good for this particular company, and I hope this would be a very good pick from the mid-cap category in your portfolio. My next stock is again from a pharma sector, which is Laurus Labs. Laurus Labs Limited, with a current market price of 316.85, listed in both BSE as well as NSE. The market cap of the company is 16,983. Past 1 year return has been 370.94, and past 6 month return has been 247.00. The P ratio is 28.44, earnings per share is 11, and price to book ratio is 7.76. For the past 3 years, the sales has grown by 36.86, and the profit has grown by 52.30. My next stock pick for this particular mid-cap category is Escorts Limited, which is based on the rural theme. And I believe that in the years to come, this stock will be a definite wealth creator. Escorts Limited, with a current market price of 1,403.85, listed in both BSE as well as NSE, coming from the automobile sector. Market cap is 18,928. 52-week high is 1,446. 52-week low is 526.05. Past 1 year return has been 116.06%, and the 6 month return has been 61.53. The P ratio is 31.41. Earnings per share is 44.65. The price to book ratio is 4.25. Over the past 3 years, the sales has grown by 48.40, and the profit has grown by 265.51%. So those were my mid-cap stock picks for 2021. And I hope this video will be at least helpful for you to identify the stocks that you need to do some research to invest, because we have so many mid-cap stocks available in market, and which might be confusing for you to decide where to invest on. These stocks which I have listed in this particular video can be considered for SIP. These companies are fundamentally very good. Plus, the financials also look good. And I hope that in the years to come, these companies will be moving from their mid-cap category to large-cap category as they perform well. And in case there is any change in the fundamentals or the technicals, I will be definitely updating it in my Telegram channel. And please do comment below the video, and I will be happy to help in case you have any queries. Thank you so much, and happy investing.